welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create streak challenges in HabitBull. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply get logged in into your HabitBull account. Once you have opened your HabitBull, the streak challenge is certainly an inherent part of using the app. The app will automatically track your consecutive successful days for any goal you set. There's no explicit challenge features to join with other users within the app itself, where you can simply create individual habits and track your own streaks. So all you gotta do is simply open your habit ball. Once you have opened it, you need to navigate to the main screen. Once you have done this, you need to add a new habit by selecting the option. After this, you need to define your goal and set the frequency for your habit. You can also enable reminders and track your progress. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.